Holmes family, they're rolling wild and free, with laughter, pie, and tacos under every old oak tree. From cafes to street carts, they'll taste the world with glee. Adventurous together, that's the Holmes family.
In every family, there is strength, but also fear.
I just don't want to mess this up.
What if something happens to them?
What if I'm not the best? What if I'm not smart enough for Prairie View?
And sometimes, fear becomes real. You will fail them. There is no way you can protect them.
You'll never be first. You're not smart enough.
Get back!
It's not working!
I can hold it! Why won't it stay down? I'm not strong enough.
I can't do this. But I have to do something. I can do this. No. I am strong! I am strong for my family! I have the world on my shoulders. But I am strong for my family. Let's go, Holmes family!
My children are protected.
You can protect them.
I will not let anything happen to them. This is my family. I got this. You lil green leprechaun thing. Be gone.
I know I am enough. I am that girl. T. Banks. Wish she was me.
You're not the best. Actually, you suck.
I have to be better. I am better. You're not smart enough. I don't know what to do. I am smart. I will succeed. I am him.
No more!
Together, let's go! On 3!
We are in control of our own destiny. Go! Speak life to it. Believe in yourself. You control your destiny.
We're the Holmes family, wild and free. Traveling the world, come along and see. From tacos to luxury, living so